I want to ask you something, man. If you don't want answer, it's cool.
Yeah.
Me know say
Star we a rock, 17 in the belly, cow born in a war. Fuck up a million, just Dude, stuck in the darkness now. Me have a berry time I call it, bro. Me no love for me heart it, bro.
I see demons in your eyes. Will you die with me tonight? Do you believe? Don't you dare lie. Break my heart, don't.
Now me in soul, every day me light a candle, all and money bought soap. We kill goats, sacrifice to big notes. I 30 mil for the German in.
Just me got option, Russian got money pile like dumb plan. Tell Tony devil give me mukbang. I saw your tongue long, you drink up.
Tennessee, I'll have a left a bleach, you'll have to me weed. Cash code, world, that's called.
A regular we make boat cross border. The killer them make soul ton zaga. Spain town short up a Botswana. Shots from and a deep in
I couldn't listen to the noise, had to figure it out. And I be getting so annoyed when money run out. And everybody knows that they Skippa sing and chop.
Sitting on your belly, the DG and them will never want people see me. Pussy wall alone, never want to just you free.
Look how far we are come from. Don't God me reach ya so. Never stop believe me, I go make it out. Move out of the same all out. With the new.
we must scream free world boss. But your son do a song say Popcorn a Judas.
No, that's him, little Eddy.
Little Eddy.
You know, but I would say this. Every relationship have up and sideways. Because we not go down.
That
but
is
you know
true.
them way there, so I just saw me and Popcorn from the one. Because remember Popcorn and my son, you know.
So, yes.
You know what I mean? But me and him good now.
Okay,
we talk,
good. I want to make sure you're good.
Yeah. We talk on everything, man. You know?
And you and my father, before,
I'm a brother,
yeah,
man.
my father good now.
My
Because I
brother,
remember Gaza and Gully and the Ray Ray,
yeah,
right?
but me and my father will create a big column in dancehall.
Absolutely.
Through that clashes.
I agree.
So and funny enough, we came from the same camp.
Yeah, really?
Which is the Alliance, Bounty Killer. Remember, we come from the same.
Remember, Bounty and Beanie used to war.
Exactly. So Bounty is a warlord. So his sons, come on, we had to do that.
Understood.
We had to have the feud.
No Gaza boss step on the road again. You don't know Gully side there. You see me, so you don't know all the thing going on. It's been a long time since the G Indian him come out, so
yeah.
Everybody glad to see that.
Everybody,
so,
including you.
Yeah, man, I mean for sure. After you don't know, you see. Remember we're street youth and I see him struggle, you see me?
All the time.
And I hate that, yeah, man.
Guyana missed you from a long time, you know. It's good that you're back here. Finally, we get you back in Guyana. Are you excited about getting on that main stage?
Yeah, man, definitely, man. That's why we're there here, man. We're there from yesterday and from last night. And, yeah, man. So, you know, for instance, fly over and there like 2-3 days before, you know, say.
You're ready?
Yeah, man.
You're ready.
Man. You know what I mean?
On stage tomorrow, when Gully God comes on, I know the place is gonna be shaking from so much electricity.
Yeah.
When you get up there, you just kill it, brother. That's your thing. This is what you do.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I just want one of the Guyanese people them know, so boy. You know, it's been a long time, and you know, it's great to be here again for the people, man. You know, we just want the youths them know, so boy, keep the peace and the love. You know what I mean? And you know. Love that Guyana start to, you know, develop the place more. You know, it's a great look.
Things.
Yeah, man, it's a great look for Guyana, you know, say. Yeah, we love that because, you know, I think Guyana is one of the first islands I've been to back in the days, like around 20 years ago, 19, 20 years ago. Yeah, you know, so to see where it was then and where it is now today is a great look. So
that's what's up.
Yeah, man, it's just, you know, for the government continue to, you know, do what them supposed to do for the people. Them.
You know what that means, right? That means you've been killing it for 20 years flat right now. You've been running all the time, you know.
True, man. And I want me up in it.
Yo, Gully, I gotta ask you the question that everybody in the world asks you. No matter wherever you go, you hear the same question. What do you have planned for the people tomorrow when you touch the main stage?
That's most of us whole heap of fire, man. It's been a long time going on this way, and it's been a long time, and we've been wanting to come to the people again. You see it?
Yeah,
man. So as we said, tomorrow, you just come out and come have the experience for yourself. Guyana, Gully God, straight.
Yo, Gully God, listen
Wild
to
out,
me.
yeah.
Last one. Wait. One more. We've been promoting you for over a month now, right? And I swear to you, we have not played all the hits that you have. And every DJ that's come on the radio, they have an opportunity to play a segment for Gully God, right? Up to now, we still have not covered all the hits. How do you pick the ones that you want to perform?
Well, as I'm saying, it's a lot of songs, so we can't pick every song, but we can pick most of them, or as much as we can, and that's like.
Yo, bro, we're gonna see you tomorrow. Enjoy
practice.
Guyana.
Salute, brother. Give
Love. Gully God himself. Remix, that's the Gully God. We gotta take some pictures with him before.